Today we're going to be installing some new turn signals for the front end of the Monkey. This is my 2023 Honda Monkey. In the last episode we installed the Clubman style bars that were backwards. Today we are going to deal with these big giant turn signals. I did eventually end up getting some mirrors. I don't really like bar end mirrors, but we didn't really have anything great in terms of visibility for those ones, and it doesn't look too bad. These are signal lights that we're installing. Machine finish, or billet style, whatever, and they're quite a lot smaller. I've seen them on a few Monkey builds and they looked not too bad. I just don't like the white kind of panel the LEDs are on, but you know, whatever. I did also have some rip-off TST like flush mount ones, but I don't know. I don't like them. I don't like them enough. Again, this isn't going to be full out step by step. I'll go through a couple things that I figured out, but there's a lot more tutorial videos out there that go in depth more than I will. Because these might fit a little bit differently, there are 3D prints online for just to kind of seal that up a little bit better. We'll see if they work or not. I'll leave the link for the 3D printed files in the description below. So it looks like we have an 8mm on the front, and from what I've picked up, there's 2 on the back here, which are going to be a fucking nightmare to get at. Oh, that sucks. We gotta get in behind there. There's one on the top and one on the bottom there somewhere. Can kind of just hand turn it there till it doesn't anymore. Fucking cables are in the way. You guys can see there, it's located right there. You just kind of gotta hand loosen it. Tutorials online are saying take the headlight off, but I don't got that kind of time. I'd rather waste more time cursing and swearing on getting these fucking bolts off than taking the whole housing off. There's the second one. So you can see where the 2 mounts are, or 3 mounts, 1, 2, and third one's right there. And after doing a little bit of research, the headlight still needs to come out, or at least the front portion. Instead of cutting this right here, the line goes into the headlight itself, so we're going to be doing that. 2 screws located on both sides of the headlight. Easy. There we go. Oh, jeez. Surprised people haven't actually stripped those. Yeah, just pops right out, and see back there are those bullet connectors. Yeah, they're bullet connectors. So these are the ones for the signal lights. Looks like there's silicone or hot glue or something in there. Not a whole lot, so these will be easy to just kind of take right off. So there we go. Just remove the bullet connectors and we'll remove the other ones. Just like that, they should fucking slide out there. Yeah, there we go. Awesome. Another 8mm on the back to remove the brace. Metal brace here. I'm gonna keep all of these parts just in case. That's what we're looking at. There we go. Free. So we have our 3D printed parts there, which kind of fit. When you're dealing with like tolerances like this, it's kind of hard to really, because 3D printed stuff can melt like on the machine itself, and it really doesn't make for the best finish, but we'll get it working. And this is just supposed to fit right inside. Again, tolerances are not horrible, could be better. There's some old heat shrink tubing, just kind of go over just like the factory one. So far fits all right. Don't know how well thread locker is going to work on a painted surface, but I guess it's better than nothing. So don't know. You guys let me know. Does thread locker work on painted parts, painted screws, bolts? Because it's gonna be a pain in the ass if I have to tighten this again. Made it look kind of presentable, but we'll see. No, that's not too bad. I have a feeling that those don't have any kind of seal in there, so as soon as water gets in there, the light is toast, but we'll see how cheap those are. Now, the pain of actually just getting it back on there. Still got the 3 screws, just gotta hand tighten it for the most part. What a pain. For your factory harness, green is ground, blue is power. So there's no instructions, so I'm assuming yellow is power and black is ground. Pretty secure. Let's give her a test here to make sure she's working. Well, we haven't installed the relay yet, but at least it's working. Now I won't show the other side, so we'll get that one on there and see how she looks at the end. So this is the end result. I think they look pretty good. They're very small. And we do not have the relay in there, so we are going to get some faster flashing. I won't be covering the relay. It goes under the tank. You have to remove the seat under the tank. I won't be covering the relay today just because we'll be doing the fender eliminator, and that comes with an integrated tail light. And I think it comes with a relay. If not, I got a spare, but yeah, no. So that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We have a bunch of different things going into this project here. We have a front fairing drop, so it will hug the wheel a little bit more. We have a new seat coming in, a little more cafe racer style, even though I like this one. We have that, like I said, that fender eliminator kit, which will eliminate all of this and show off a little bit more of that yellow. And we still haven't decided on the lowering kit yet, whether it's going to stay stretched or go stretched, or we're just going to do a subtle 2-inch lowering. We'll see. Till then, see you guys in the next one.